Disney is planning to use James Gunn's script for Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. The studio fired 52-year-old filmmaker earlier this year after being made aware of a series of offensive tweets he posted between 2008 and 2012. And now, the director's brother Sean has revealed the company will stay true to his sibling's vision. He told Tulsa World, "I don't really know yet what's going on with Guardians 3. I know that Disney still wants to make the movie. I know that they have every intention of using the script that my brother wrote. Obviously, that was a very unfortunate situation for everybody, most of all him. But I am also somebody who's been preparing to spend half a year making that movie, and now that's up in the air." Sean commented after star Dave Bautista has repeatedly insisted he wouldn't want to return to the franchise if James' script wasn't used. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.